Welcome to the Sugar Freedom Kitchen. I'm Catherine Best Gordon. Today's video is about flat iron steak. You may be aware that beef prices have gone up. Yesterday I was in the grocery store and filet mignon was $22 a pound. Now even on a special occasion I don't want to spend $22 a pound. So I'm going to do a flat iron steak, which is only $7.99 a pound. Very predictably, whenever I go to my local grocery store, whenever I go to Priceco, flat iron steak is going to be right around $7 a pound. So what I did with this flat iron steak is I seasoned it with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and I'm going to demonstrate how I cook it in a cast iron pan. Now, you can do all the cooking in the cast iron pan, which is what we're going to do today, or you could start it in the cast iron pan, sear it on either side, and then finish it in the oven. But with today's video, we want to make it as simple as possible, so I'm going to demonstrate how we do this flat iron steak on the stovetop, so you can enjoy a delicious steak and still save some money. This is about 1.25 pounds, so you've got 2 big servings here, or you could do 2 smaller servings and have some leftovers. All right, let's get ready to make flat iron steak. This is one of my favorite seasonings, Simple Girl bouillon base. You can get this on Amazon. An easy way to use one seasoning. But if you don't have that, we start with salt and pepper, and then we use garlic powder, and then I like to add onion powder. You could also use some chopped rosemary or thyme as well. It's going to go into a tablespoon of bacon fat, plus a tablespoon of butter, or a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. And here it is on the stovetop, all warmed up and ready to cook. So I've got it on about 3 or 4 on my burner, so about medium, which is going to get this pan nice and hot. Then we're going to take that flat iron steak and use a good sturdy pair of tongs and put the seasoned side into the pan. And we tuck it on in on either side. And that's a good fit, and you're going to hear that sizzle. And now we're going to season the other side of the steak. I just find it's easiest to freehand season the steak once it's in the pan. And so we've turned that steak, and now we're going to season it. And we're searing the other side for about 1.5 minutes. And then we're going to turn, and we're going to sear this side for about 1.5 minutes. So your burner is still on about medium, hot enough to get a nice sear on the steak. And then after about 1.5 minutes, you're going to turn the heat down to low. The cast iron pan is going to retain that heat really well for you. You can turn the heat down to low, and here is when you're going to decide how much cooking time you want. About 5 minutes for medium rare on each side. And then you're going to turn it, and once again you've turned it down to low, and you're going to go about 5 minutes on the other side for medium rare. If you want it even rarer, go 4 minutes. Even rarer, go 3 minutes. And here's the beautiful sliced finished product. I certainly hope you enjoy this flat iron steak. And remember, eat for yourself and be well. Bye-bye, everybody.